how to use app permissions on Samsung Galaxy. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll on and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so you will see, so select apps from here. So after select app, click on apps. Now here you will see second option is permissions. So click on permissions. So you will see. So if you want to use app permissions, so you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use app permission settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.